Today I will be showing you how to tie the gele, the fan with a twist style, as we Nigerians call it, gele. First of all, before I go into the video, I just want to say I'm wearing D. Aikens lashes number 39. Head over to our Instagram page and order yours. Supporting small businesses. Come on guys, show some love. Order yours. There's different styles. There's like over 10 different styles. Free delivery, postage and packaging, of course. And trust me, you ain't gonna regret, because look at this. Come on, take a closer look at this. Take a closer. You know you want it. You know you want it. You want it. Head over to the Instagram and order yours now. So let's get into this video. I'm wearing this because my hair is a mess underneath. So, and I'm tying gele, of course, so I need to protect my hair. Want to split in the middle, but this time around you're not doing equally because you're doing the fan with the twist. You're not doing the 50-50. You're going to do the 30-70 instead. So I'm gonna head now and split. So that's the middle. This is the 50-50, and my 30-70 would be this. This is my 30-70. So press it as always. Get my straight line. I do my pleats. So what you want to do is fold your pleats and bring them. Remember, you're holding the other one with your hands. I know this is not the easiest, but like so. Also, my pleats are folded are here. Just gonna bring them out beautifully so they can show. I can show them off beautifully. So here they are, like so. Those are my pleats, and depending on how much pleats, or if you want to call it pleats, if you want to call it steps, you know, it's up to you. Depending on how much you want, you know, you keep going. But to me, this is enough. I'm happy with this. And now I start to make my fan. So I start to build up my fan like so. Just watch that. I'm making sure it goes all the way, and like so. Right. And then remember, because it's a fan, it's going to be slanted, it's not going to be round. Put them over each other equally. It's going to become our pleated round. That's the bridal, the typical bridal style. But because we want this to be a fan with the twist, and you see that I am stopping my fan halfway here. I'm not going any further than this, where my hand stops here. And this is my fan. And remember to always, you know, press it out, iron it out, you know, whatever you want to call it. We are. Boom, boom, boom. Right. My bottom, I bring it over to lock down the fan so it does not move. My fan does not move. So I use that to lock down my fan so it does not move from place. You can see. And I place my hand, hold it down while I twist so the fan does not twist with me, because we don't want a twisted fan, do we? We want a fan with a twist. So I've got my twist. So I'm happy with my twist. I'm happy with my fan. Don't worry too much. I'll come back to arrange it. As long as this does not move from its place, everything is still good. You're good to go. Right now you tie your gele as always, as usual. So before I finish that off, I'll just come back around to the front, just following, you know, what I've done here. Not doing anything new, just literally following everything I've done here to make it look neat and clean. Make that come up like so. If you think you've got too much excess here, you can just come around to the back here and pull. If you see, if you pull, you're pulling away the excess. So just come around here and make this look neat. Don't tie gele with earrings on. If your earrings on, take them off. No, don't take them on. Do your gele first before you put your earrings on. This is what happens. This is what will happen if you do your gele with your earrings on. I mean, some people can, but clearly Lizzie cannot because it just came off. Now I'll show you all how to tie it. So here we are. And then just tidy up the back, you know, my pin. Voila. Here we are. Let me try. I'm gonna try and give it 360 on this. Ooh. Okay, I'm just gonna move it back a bit because that's what you do once your gele is done. And woo, feels good. Actually, that looks beautiful. That actually looks like, this looks like auto gele. I swear, the pleats, I'm sorry, I'm praising myself because this actually looks good. This looks good. Yes, self-love. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope it was, you know, hitting some points, and I hope it was clear enough step by step on how I have done and achieved this look. This style is called fan with the twist. Once again, I'm wearing D.A. King's lashes a number 39. Head over to the Instagram and order yours now. Slide in their DM, boo, and order yours. There's 10 different styles to choose from. So yeah, be sure to order yours. Supporting small businesses, my love. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit that notification bell to always get a notification every time I upload new content.